Howdy WordPress user, it's your pal Aleem Iqbal. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a complete technical audit of your website, so follow me. You will need two things, SEO template and Screaming Frog. So first of all, let's create a copy of SEO template. Now let's open Screaming Frog. Start the scan of your website. Let's wait for the result to finish. Okay, so the scan is complete. Now let's export. Copy all of this stuff. Now paste it here. Okay, so while recording, make sure that the layout of the template is exactly similar to the layout of Screaming Frog. Okay, so the green one represents that it is fine. The red one shows that this needs to be fixed. So as you can see, the title length 60 plus is fine, while these 33, 29 are shorter than recommended. The 71 is also way more bigger than the recommended, and this one seems fine. The h1 length 0, 0, and this needs to be fixed. Okay, let's move on to the main section. So let's check this title. Okay, so we will first of all we will make sure the website is redirecting to correct URL. Okay, the website seems to be redirecting to a correct URL, so we will write yes. And now we will check the favicon. Yes, the favicon is also present, so yes again. And now rebose.txt. Okay, so it's there, but it's not configured properly, so we will write yes, but not configured properly. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Sitemap is not present in robots.txt. It should look like this. Oh, 1 minute. Something like this. Okay, so next one. Let's check the sitemap. Okay, so the sitemap is there. We will write yes, and sitemap in footer. It seems like the sitemap is not in the footer, so we will write no. And about us page, yes, it's available. And the contact us page, it's also available. Okay. Okay, so it seems like terms of services is not available. And now let's check privacy policy. Privacy policy is also not available, so we'll write no. It's an e-commerce website, so I think we won't need that. Unsecure content. Let's check if there is any unsecure content. Okay, so it looks fine. There is no unsecured content. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Category URL. Yeah, this seems fine. Okay, so there are few products without. Okay, so it seems like these are categories. And there are few products too. Okay, so we will write yes. 404 pages that get traffic. It seems like there are no 404 pages. You can check these pages from Google Search Console to make sure there aren't any pages that are getting traffic but they are 404. Okay, so no. Let's see if there is any 302 page. No. The 404 page also seems to be working. So we will write yes. Now let's check the links. You will need this extension for that. Check my links. Okay, it seems like there are a few incorrect URLs, but they are also seems to be working. It's probably server issue, so we will just ignore that. Okay, so next move on to the next one. There are no PDFs, so yes. Let's see if there are any other pages indexed. Okay, so it seems like the dates aren't indexed, so we'll write yes, and let's see if there are any authors indexed. Okay, so authors aren't indexed also. Let's move on to tags. Tags aren't indexed, so let's move on to product tags. Good, so it seems like they aren't indexed also. Let's see if there is any directory indexed. Okay, so it seems like there isn't any directory index, so we'll write yes. Account pages, let's see if there is any account page. No. They aren't indexed. Wait. Okay, so this one is indexed, and I think this needs to be de-indexed. It's not working also, so we write no and write the URL here. Media attachments. I don't see any media attachment. Media attachment is a kind of a page, a thin page created for the image, which is really bad for SEO, and it could hurt your SEO really bad. So make sure that you redirect it to the image link. There is an option in Yoast for that. Okay, good. So it seems like there aren't any attachment pages. Let's see category pages. Okay, so there are some category pages indexed, which is quite fine for e-commerce website, but just make sure that you add some unique text so it gets rank better. Okay, so thin or no value pages. We will use Screaming Frog for that, and yeah, so these are thin pages, the one in red, and just make sure that the contact the content is more than 300 words. So it seems like these are URLs, resource URLs, so it's fine. So we will write no here. Okay, sorry, yes. We won't need meta keywords, so yes. We don't have Google Search Console access, so we will skip this part. Okay, so let's check the schema. Okay. To check OG data, we will need mouse bar. Okay, so it seems like it's present, this page, and we can check the preview here. Good. So let's move on to next one. Organization markup. Yes, it's available. Okay, so local business, since this is a e-commerce website, so we won't need that in this one, so I will write no. About markup. Okay, so about markup is not available, and next thing, organization markup should only be used for home page. We can't use this markup on every pages that could trigger a manual penalty, so just make sure that you use it only on your home page. Okay, so I will show you an example of about us schema. Yeah, this one. So as you can see, this guy uses on page schema. You can copy it and just do some edits and use it in your own website, something like this. Okay, so you can edit all these details and paste it on your own website. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. I will write no. Contact markup. Contact. Okay, so this one. this one is contact markup, and it's showing some error, but we can see it here. Okay, so let's see if they have contact us markup. No, they don't have contact markup, so I will write no. Breadcrumbs markup is default, so but this website doesn't use that, so I will write no. They don't have news articles, so I will write no. Event no. No, and there aren't any errors, so no. Let's see if they have blog markup. No. Let's see if Chase has blog markup. Okay, so it seems like they don't have blog markup too, so I will write no. And Chase doesn't use it as well. Okay, so make sure you install and use all of these plugins. I will show that in my next tutorial, so make sure to watch all of my videos. Okay, let's see if they have mobile friendly design. Okay, so it seems like the website is mobile friendly, so I will write yes. The mobile usability errors will show here, this section. So you can find all the pages and fix these issues. Okay, so let's see if they have site search. Okay, so it seems like they have site search. And it's working fine, so I will write yes. Let's see if they have breadcrumbs. Okay, so I think they have breadcrumbs. Yes, social media. Yes, they have social media. So yes. No, we don't need that. Yes, they have proper navigation. And I don't think we will need AMP on e-commerce website. Let's check the speed. We will use GT metrics for that purpose. Okay, so the loading time is 15 seconds, which is quite huge for e-commerce website. It should be 30. It should be 3 or 4. Okay, so I will copy the link and paste it here. Okay, let's try again. Not sure why this is happening, and server speed is 15.0. Overall page speed 15 at 90 requests, which is quite bad. Image compression, there are few images left, so I will write no. Okay, so it seems like the images aren't compressed, so I will write no. Let's see if they have browser caching. No. Gzip compression. I think this, yes. JavaScript minification. No. CDN. Yes. They are using Jetpack. Okay, so just for example, I will show these in my own search console of my website. Okay, so let's write the URL. Okay, so sitemap, let's see. Yes, sitemap is submitted. Yes. Okay, so let's see if there are any errors. No, 0 error. No. Manual penalty. No. Google Analytics. Okay, so let's see. The URL seems to be correct. So I write yes, no. I don't think they have, so I will write no. Okay, so that's all for today. And sorry about my voice. It's just I am not much experienced yet, so I am trying to improve my voice. And sorry again. I'll see you in next videos. Thanks for watching. See you.